Some cities are more than just a place on the map. Some cities are where the journey begins.
Now I was back to the Ankara because so quiet, the clinic is very well, no traffic. I'm very happy in Ankara.
Yeah, and actually people don't know, but there are even direct flights to Ankara from Germany. So
yes, too many
very
direct
comfortable.
flights.
You can go directly, you can go via Istanbul, have some days in Istanbul, but actually it's much easier here. But who does perform the surgery in your clinic?
In Turkish law or the ethical law, normally in hair transplant is 3 parts: extraction, incision, and implantation. I perform extraction and incision, implantation with my experienced nurses.
Yeah.
That's the.
But I saw it. I have to say, you will see in the video. I did not see any nurses doing the work, which is, yeah, you laugh. It is very different because there are not too many doctors in Turkey which do the work themselves. That's why I asked, because
thank you for asking this one, because it's important for patient, also important for us.
Yeah, because a medical doctor is not only the technical area, it's about also competition. If something happens, I think it is important that there is a doctor already available.
Yes.
You have problems like cardiac.
Sometimes patient changing quickly 1 second. Their blood pressure is low or high.